So everybody, how we doing today? Auctioneer extraordinaire here, Robert Zaba. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Man, we got a lot of great things going on. Going to pick up a huge amount of tools today. Starting our tool auction already. And as you can tell, we got tools, and lots of cool tools all over. So there's vintage wood planes and hammers. There's new stuff. We got chop saws. That's a 2-phase to 3-phase inverter. Brand new DeWalt drill press. Delta. And it goes on and on. So then we got to go load up the truck with even more tools. And we're going to be selling furniture this Sunday. So we're trying to set up a tool auction. We have a huge furniture auction coming up. Look at all these lots of furniture. So, there's some beautiful pieces, and we'll have a little walkthrough later of all that. But there's antiques. There's a nice bar here. And then in the tool auction, we got the stuff from What the Hales, Mac Tools. We got that huge toolbox we'll be selling. And we got an update coming up on this motorcycle and that engine. So stay tuned for that. But all kind of great things. So we got the tool auction next Saturday. This Sunday, furniture. So all kind of cool pieces, antiques. There's pictures and just lots and lots of cool things. Like I said, and the tool auction, all kind of things. And we got to go load up the truck with more tools. Look at this antique desk right here. Beautiful piece right here. So keep a lookout, watch what we got going on. I hear the guys pulling up in the truck. But this is all loaded already with tools. Wood plane, fridge and stove. We'll see. Morning, gentlemen. How we doing today?
Good morning. How you doing?
Oh, awesome.
What's up, bro?
You guys doing great? You guys pumped, ready to go? Chachi paparazzi. Should we pull in the front? Unload up there.
Friday. It'd probably be easier.
Let's do it. All right. Bearded Wonder, take it away. Peace and here, grease. All right, Chachi, we're gonna meet him in the front. Loading up the tools.
More tools.
Beautiful day in Cleveland. This is just the beginning of the tools. We gotta go pick up a whole bunch of tools. We already loaded a bunch of tools yesterday. Furniture. Got another big rolling box back there. The Bearded Wonder, working hard. Happy as can be.
Or hardly working.
Or hardly working. Tools, and this is just the tip of the iceberg because we'll go get the real tools today. But look at this. Still different brands in here. For sale. So all these tools and more. Now we gotta get the real load, right, Chach? So keep on watching. Let's see. Now twist it. Come on back. Just a little bit. That's cool. I want to just, because we're going to need a straight ramp to get this air compressor, you know. That's perfect. I think like that's the best. Then we're gonna have the ramps. Probably have to load the big stuff on first, the air compressor and the toolboxes.
Yeah.
So all the stuff we got to load. We have to unhook this thing. Unhook this. Okay, this air compressor. Oh, yeah.
Where was it at? Where's the spot?
So this thing doesn't have wheels on it, Chach. Oh, it's gonna be it's empty. Where's that little furniture dolly? You got that furniture dolly over here? That wood furniture dolly? Did we bring that?
So should be on the side.
Yeah, let's grab that thing.
I don't know what that sound is.
All that stuff there. Still gotta go. Oh, I wish we'll get. Almost everything. All right. Turns the other way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You stare. Still on fire, bro. Let's roll it, Jack. I'll probably just carry it up.
Yeah, I got this side. Watch out.
All right, Bearded Wonder.
We're just gonna lift up, Josh.
1, 2, 3. Walk down 3. Alright, load it up. It was real and it was fun. I don't know if it was real fun, but we made a dent.
Yeah.
What kind of engine is that underneath there?
No, I don't know.
It's an Audi.